Down in the Bahamas, more than 2 weeks after Dorian, the number of people confirmed dead stands at 50, and the number of those missing is now 1,300. Nearly 2,000 people are living in shelters there. 3 hospitals are open and operational in the areas where Dorian did the most damage, and there are only a handful of clinics available. Tweelan Nguyen live for us at Tampa International Airport this morning, where later this morning a medical team from USF will head out to help those hospitals and clinics. Tweelan.
Caitlin, good morning. It has taken weeks of planning and organizing to get this all together so that flight can leave today. Full disclosure, the crew was working late last night putting all those supplies together, so their flight is leaving later than usual from this hangar at the airport this morning, and they're taking 2 planes. One of them is going to be filled with the entire crew. The other one filled completely with supplies that are so desperately needed in the Bahamas. Now, a crew of about 8 people is heading down there. Doctors and a logistical team will fly into Nassau. They'll be stationed at shelters where people from Grand Bahama and the Abaco Islands are staying. I spoke to one of the doctors, and she told me she's expecting to work long hours without any breaks to treat infections, wounds, and to help people who have lost all of their medications in Hurricane Dorian. The USF team will come back on Monday, and they plan to make plenty more trips to help.
It's one of the most important things that we can do as physicians, and also as being the university that can help. We can pull together people from the College of Engineering or the College of Public Health or medicine or nursing to everybody lend their hand, lend their expertise.
During this first trip, the team from USF will figure out what the people of the Bahamas need the most, whether it be more medicine or maybe even more engineers. Then they'll adjust their team to meet those needs. And this isn't the first time USF doctors have helped people after hurricanes. They spent a lot of time in Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria helping all the people there, and they say it's so important to continue to help. And they have so many more flights planned, and they'll need so many more medical supplies. I've put a link on our website at WTSP.com on how you can help them cover some of those costs.